In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A34, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. First of all, you need to open Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck. Following that, get this free app from Flartu developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Now thanks to it, you can learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!